50 sentences commonly used in corporate communication. 1. Good morning, team.
2. Let's touch base on the project.
3. Could you please send me the latest report? 4. We need to meet our quarterly targets. 5. Can you schedule a conference call for us? 6. I'll follow up with you on that action item. 7. We have a meeting scheduled for 3 p.m. 8. The deadline for the proposal is next Friday.
9. You'll be out of the office tomorrow.
10. We're facing some challenges with the budget. 11. Please review the contract before signing. 12. Let's discuss the marketing strategy. 13. I'll send out the agenda for the meeting. 14. We need to improve our efficiency. 15. Can you provide an update on the sales figures? 16. Thank you for your hard work on this project.
17. Let's brainstorm some ideas.
18. I'll forward you the email chain for reference. 19. We're on track to meet our goals.
20. Could you give me a status update?
21. Let's schedule a training session. 22. I'll prepare a presentation for the board meeting. 23. We need to streamline our processes. 24. Can you coordinate with the IT department?
25. Let's set up a performance review.
26. We're looking for ways to cut costs. 27. Please address any concerns with HR. 28. I'll arrange a meeting with the stakeholders. 29. We need to reevaluate our strategy. 30. Can you provide feedback on this draft? 31. Let's allocate resources more effectively. 32. I'll send out a memo regarding the policy change.
33. We are restructuring the organisation.
34. Please submit your expense reports by Friday. 35. Let's explore new business opportunities. 36. I'll delegate this task to the appropriate team member. 37. We're implementing a new software system. 38. Can you troubleshoot this issue? 39. Let's schedule a team-building activity. 40. I'll provide training on the new procedures. 41. We're seeking input from all departments. 42. Can you assist with the onboarding process? 43. Let's aim for a quick turnaround on this project. 44. I'll coordinate with the finance department. 45. We're looking for ways to increase productivity.